How to cure a urinary tract infection naturally. A urinary tract infection is a very frequent condition that attacks the urinary tract. It may occur in the bladder, kidneys, ureter or urethra. Read more to learn about the causes of this problem and how to cure it naturally. Characteristics of a urinary tract infection. A, as we said above, can occur in different parts of the body. In the bladder, this is called cystitis or bladder infection. In the kidneys, it can happen in one or both kidneys and is called pyelonephritis or kidney infection. In the ureter, in some rare cases, the tracts that carry urine from the kidney to the bladder become infected. In the urethra, this is called urethritis and occurs when the tract that carries urine out of the bladder becomes infected. In the majority of cases, urinary tract infections are caused by bacteria that makes its way into the urethra and the bladder, where it most commonly occurs, although in other cases, it could form in the kidneys. A large percentage of patients' bodies get rid of the bacteria on their own, but certain conditions can increase your risk of suffering from this type of infection. For example, women tend to suffer from urinary tract infections more often than men because their urethra is shorter. Plus, women sometimes get infected after having sexual intercourse or using birth control devices such as a diaphragm. Women in menopause have a higher risk of getting an infection like this one. Other factors that also increase your chances of suffering from a urinary tract infection are diabetes, old age, Alzheimer's disease, urinary catheter, bowel incontinence, enlarged prostate, narrowed urethra, kidney stones, pregnancy, surgery. The symptoms of a urinary tract infection in the bladder are cloudy urine, sometimes with blood or a strong, unpleasant smell. Low fever. Pain or burning when urinating. Intense need to urinate often. Pressure or spasms in the back or lower abdomen. Feeling like the bladder is full, but not urinating much. If the infection is occurring in the kidneys, the symptoms would be cold sweats, chills, fever, back or groin pain, hot or reddened skin, nausea, vomiting, intense abdominal pain. Natural remedies for urinary tract infections. Make a tea with 25 grams of birch per liter of water, let it set for 10 minutes, drain it, and drink up to 3 cups per day. Mix a handful of each of the following herbs: marshmallow root, plantain, yarrow, nettle and goldenrod, the leafy part. With a spoon, muddle the herbs together and pour in a cup of boiling water. Cover the mixture, let it set for 15 minutes, drain it and drink 2 cups per day. Boil 20 grams of barley in 1 liter of water. Once the water starts to boil, throw in 20 grams of juniper. Lower the heat and let the mixture cook for a few minutes more. Cover it and let it set for 20 minutes, then drain it and drink up to 3 cups per day. In 1 liter of water, mix 4 tablespoons of each of the following ingredients: marigold, flaxseed, horsetail and thyme. Boil for 10 minutes, then cover the mixture and let it set for 15 minutes. Draining takes its baths twice per day. Mix 1 tablespoon of celery seed with 1 cup of boiling water, then cover and let it cool for 10 minutes. Drink this liquid before it cools off completely. Dissolve 1/4 tablespoon or baking soda in a glass of water and drink once per day. Before consuming this beverage, you should drink 2 cups of plain water. Peel and core an apple, then slice. Peel a banana and slice it, as well. Mix these 2 fruits in the blender with a glass of water and drink the smoothie on an empty stomach. Make a smoothie with 2 cups of fresh blueberries, a slice of watermelon and half a cup of cherries, after washing everything and taking out the seeds. Drink immediately. Eat half a cup of cherries with their stems in the water bath. Move the pit once the cherry has softened and blend the rest. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and store this mixture in a glass jar with a tight seal. Eat 2 tablespoons per day. Drink 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil per day. You can also drink a glass of coconut water before breakfast and another before going to bed. Peel 2 cloves of garlic and smash them. Add a cup of hot water and let the mixture set for 5 minutes. Drink this mixture 3 times per day. In 1 liter of water, dissolve 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Drink throughout the day. Peel an onion and cut it into 4 parts. Boil them for 20 minutes in half a liter of water. Remove it from the heat and let it set for 8 hours. Then drain the mixture and drink the broth. It will help you urinate more and get rid of bacteria. Pour 2 tablespoons of basil leaves into a cup of boiling water. Let this set for 10 minutes and drink it twice per day for 48 hours. Make a smoothie with 2 cups of cranberry juice, 1 cup of pomegranate juice, 1 cup of chopped papaya, or cantaloupe, 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of ginger juice or a grated slice of ginger. You can also add 6 ice cubes and drink 5 cups per day. Prepare a tea with 1 cup of boiling water and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Let the mixture set for 15 minutes and then sweeten it with honey. Drink 3 cups per day.